In this is 10 chicken nuggets. And in my hand, I have a check for $10,000. I also have a bunch of contestants here. Guys, the challenge of today is, can you eat 10 chicken nuggets from McDonald's in 40 seconds? If you can, you win the 10,000. If you can't, you lose. Before the video begins, make sure to go down and smash that like button. Because all the boys are back. We're back in this. Who wants to go first?
Me. I'll go first.
I'll go first. Eeny, meeny, miny, honestly, Shawn could go first. Shawn could go first. I also.
Yo, you made this
what?
hours and then you get
I've been waiting. Yo, chill. There's also unlimited dipping sauces, whatever ones you want to pick. You have Monster here.
He did a very.
Yo, I'm about to crank that and Superman these nuggets, bro.
Holy hell. No, Jad's not going first. Little clip from the past. This is Jad eating a Big Mac.
This is a vacuum. Oh my God.
Here are the rules. Yes, you can undip the dipping sauces. Here's your 10 nuggets in here. I'm gonna be doing the timer, but I just wanna say a few facts about chicken nuggets, low-key, before we begin. Last time Jad won. This is kind of like the saltine cracker challenge. I think it's 6 saltine crackers. They dry your mouth out in 1 minute.
Water, but can I have?
You can have Monster. It can make you a monster, bro. For comparison, there's a lot of challenges going on YouTube. 100 nuggets in 10 minutes. So if you dumb it down, that's 10 a minute. But Furious Pete did 46 in 3 minutes. So that's the amount of nuggets. He used liquid. You can use liquid.
Okay,
Whatever you want.
Yeah,
Shawn is gonna be first. Let me get the timer ready.
Shawn is liquid.
Very easy.
Shawn does it all. You know, Shawn all 4 nuggets.
Shawn is so liquid.
I'll give him 10 grand.
Shawn's getting 2 nuggets and I
Wait, how many am I trying to get? 10?
But you just gotta finish that in 40 seconds.
40 seconds.
But before you do that, let me
Okay, I'm gonna genuinely try.
try, bro, please.
Because I normally don't try because I know I can't get it. So I'm actually curious how many I can do.
How
It
many
won't be
nuggets?
10. It
They
won't
all
be-
look
it
cold.
won't be 10. It won't be 10.
I know it won't be 10, but if you do anything over 5, I'm low-key H.
You do 3, I'm
All right, bro. I have the timer right here. Let me know when you're ready. Oh, you're starting with 2? Dual wield. 40 seconds. If you do it in a minute, I'll be impressed, but you don't win the money. So on your mark, get set, go. Timer started right now.
That's 2 down, folks.
That's not. You have to swallow them. You have to swallow them.
That's 2 inside.
2 inside.
Quarter of the way there.
That's it, Shawn.
You have liquid. You're 11 seconds down, 12 seconds down. We got 1, 2. Oh, no.
I'm not gonna do this.
Yeah. Oh.
Where's mine?
Half down.
Half down.
Not bad. Oh,
Small nugget.
you have 10 seconds left. Oh my God, this challenge is actually zooked. I don't even think I can do this. Finish that. You have to swallow the nugget. 4, 3, 2, 1. You know what? We'll pause it right there. 41 seconds. You're chewing on 1, but you have what? 1, 2, 3, 4.
I did 4.5.
4.5. 4.5 for Shawn.
Shawn has never eaten like that in his life.
That is very good. I'll give Shawn props. He doesn't eat too
And
quick.
Shawn's the smallest.
What? Oh, you're going.
Face Hobbs. Yeah.
Wait, what? What about face?
Face Hobbs in the cut with the face.
Face up.
Buffalo sauce.
Okay. Wait, why is Ryan eating nuggets? Why is Ryan eating nuggets though? Why are you eating nuggets? I swear I don't have that.
His throat up.
I don't know if you eat more. I swear I don't have
I'm not chewing. I'm not gonna chew.
Stop eating nuggets. Stop eating. I know. I need them all. Just in case. Hold on. And by the way, guys, if you want me to try eating the nuggets, let me know in the comments down below right now. I'm reading them live. And smash the like button. All right, hold on. Let me put 10. All right, Guy, you're next. Dr. Hobbs in the cut. Whoa, what does that shirt say?
DM if you're interested. Of course, DM me, Dr. Hobbs. I respond to everyone.
Girls or guys? Doesn't matter, right?
Doesn't matter.
All right.
Mostly girls, just girls.
No, guys can do it. It's all good. All right, we got the 10 nuggets here today, bro. Why are you taking your coat off? Shout out Dustin. Yo, shout out Dustin for bringing the water.
That's the worst thing you can say to
For a football man?
Holy hell. Get out of here, water boy. Go to the pads. That's what your season looks like, eh?
You're such a jock.
Seat warmers?
Okay. There's 10. Let me just make sure. Did you that shit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
There's only 8 nuggets there.
I ate 2.
We gotta add those back.
No, I want that sauce. You go.
There's 10 nuggets now. 3.
Hold on, wait.
Wait, 3. No.
3 is
What's wrong with him? KO. 3, 2, 1, go. All right. Timer started. Yeah, you take advantage of the water, bro. Oh shit.
Shawnee next.
Dr. Hobbs is moving. Yes, Furious Pete. You gotta swallow it.
Didn't finish the first one.
I
can just see this.
Yeah.
Come on, Dr. Hobbs. You're halfway down, bro. 20 seconds, 22 seconds. How many? Yo, you have bare nuggets left. Shawn might.
Shawn's up.
Shawn's up. Yo, 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. Bro, 3, 2, 1, and that's it, bro.
Swallow him.
40. Whoa, whoa.
Any of them.
Whoa.
How many?
Sean, 2, 3, 4.
I had 4.
Guy's a ham.
Sean beat him. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your
Look
mouth.
at that jawline. This
Bro,
looks like Kanye West.
Okay.
This is the chicken nugget challenge, not the chubby bunny challenge. What's wrong?
Yeah, I swear we should do. There can only be a limit of 2 nuggets. You f***ed up the rules, bro. 2 nuggets in your mouth at once. That's it.
I was just
That's the rules. So, what do we give him?
No, it's what you have at the end. I'll give him 2.
Huh?
You can still 5 nuggets in your mouth, but if you finish them by the time 40 seconds.
Oh yeah, if you want to do it that way, yeah, you can do it that way.
Yeah, but you have to show everything.
No, we're on 2 minutes. You know, it's like-
Or else
I'll give Guy. I'll give him 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10.
I swallowed everything.
Sean did 4 clean.
I did 5. Clean.
No, you didn't.
Oh,
I thought you put the 1 in and the 6 one.
Okay, we'll give him 3. We'll give him 3. 3 out of 10 for Dr. Hobbs.
Hey,
3.5.
By the way, link in the description to both their channels. Go subscribe to fucking both of these. We just did mind games on his channel, and we did some fucking American food versus whatever Lebanese kefta on his
whatever
channel.
We did this great video on Sean's channel, Brain Games, and we did something on his channel.
Next up, they're big, dog. Shut the fuck up, 9-10.
Yo, you'll know if Ryan's gonna go hard if he does this before.
Can we get that one Tyrannosaurus Rex? Okay, hold on.
You have to swallow before you swallow. Yeah.
Sway's just gonna die.
I need 1 nickel.
Snake. Put these back. KO, here's the rules. I mean, you know the rules. Which dipping sauce of choice are you going with? Oh, wetting the mouth. Easy tactic. That's fine. Reset the clock. Why do you have 3 dipping sauces, bro?
Options.
All right, bro. Let me know when you're ready. I know. What? No, chill. Oh, okay, I started. Furious Pete.
I don't want to.
Yes.
It's not worth the money.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Yeah, swallow that. 15 seconds down.
That's good.
Oh, shit. Time is sickening, bro. He's not.
Bro, this guy's gonna pop.
You might poop, bro. You might poop twice.
No, you gotta swallow. We can't count 4 and 3.
9 seconds. 9 seconds. Yeah, sure.
Come on. You got this.
Oh, you got him out.
5, 4. Why'd you drink so much water?
2, 1. Time is up.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Bro,
How is Sean winning?
I don't.
Sean's actually a monster.
Size of the plate.
Yo, what did Sways get?
Got 3.
We'll give him 4. He's still chewing. He's chewing berries.
Sean did 4. Or Ryan did 4. But Sean did 4.
I'll say he did 4, but in the lead so far is Sean for sure. All right, 40 seconds for the side. Okay, how many is there? 1. You put 10 in there?
And then
I need to verify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Well, like, I had like 4 seconds with him.
Isn't that what Swayze did then?
Jad, can we give? No, I actually want to ask you a question.
Okay, what's good?
Because you're actually low-key a monster eater, what would you suggest to anyone going after you right now?
Forget any sauce. Do not waste your time doing this. And chomp as many as you can in your mouth.
Would you do 1 at a time or like whatever is going in your mouth? I don't know.
I would do 2 at a time.
I would do 2 at a time max. I mean, I'd try it.
Are you doing this too?
I might try it. If there's extra nuggets, I'm gonna try it. All right, guys. Bong Geezy, Baker's Man. You're not baking. You're eating today. 3, 2, 1, go. Timer's up.
Go 1 at a time?
That was an aggressive 1 nugget stuff.
Whoa, that was fast.
Oh my god. I don't think he swallowed the first one.
Swallowing soup.
Yeah, swallowing is the worst.
Holy
Bro,
shit.
he's swallowing as he's drinking at
Your
the same
mouth
time.
muscles get tired.
Oh my god. Bongo's out. Oh my god. 17 seconds left.
Is that 4 and 5?
Now you're halfway.
Yeah,
Oh, Bongo's flying. 22 seconds on the clock.
if you swallow these 2, is that 5?
You got the swallow. Pause.
You got these 2.
You got
Yeah, that was good.
10 seconds left.
Oh, the double water. That was 5.
This is for the lead. If you swallow this whole, it's a win.
3, show your tongue. 2.
Ah! 40 seconds on the clock. What did we get? 5? Bong Easy is in the lead with 5 chicken nuggets.
Swallowing them whole like pills.
Yeah, I know you swallowed. Jad's getting his water. Oh,
Jad's ready. Jad's winning this.
You want to go next?
chill. Dustin up next, and then I'm gonna count the nuggets, then I'll go, and then I'll let Jad go. Because Jad beat me in speed eating, bro.
I thought Bongo was gonna stand up. You know when like a seagull swallows something whole and it's like this?
Jad's stressing. No. Full nugget down your neck.
Wow.
All right.
How did I get 3 waters and there's no water left.
Is there no water?
No. There's only one water boy.
Okay, well think of something. Do a little bit of meditation, bro.
You just say honey is lit for chicken nuggets, but
Shout out
Terrible for this.
Shout out
Honey would
Honeybee.
be the worst.
Yes.
Honey sticks in your throat.
Yeah, sticky up, it cause molasses. Before you go, just think of a Dorito, swallowing whole and cutting up your neck cause.
Shout out Planet.
Cringe. All right,
You
one.
need to microwave these so they're like soft.
Yeah.
I know. These are low-key cold nuggets, so you might need to try with
If you
hot.
swallow one of these whole, I'll give you 20 bucks.
I'm not doing that. Ryan swallows bear, so you're here.
Yeah.
why is this one like a perfect boot? Some Italy here.
Holy shit.
That's classic.
Yo, Charlie,
nuggets.
you
They
low-key
come
don't
in
have
one.
enough more, I don't think.
I don't have enough nuggets. I can't go. I'll do one, see how long it takes me, and multiply.
Well, how is
Dustin might win this
And
because
no one's
this,
got more than 5.
I don't have no idea.
Dustin might win because this is actually how he seasons his chicken, just salt and pepper. So
Wow.
Okay.
You
Anyways,
notice you can't tell Ryan's wearing a chain from the back of his neck.
Ryan. Holy, she's dissing. Ryan's mom makes weenie supreme. Surprise.
When Ryan laughs hard like this, you can't see it.
Holy fucking hell on earth. All right, Dustin's up.
Yo, these are way bigger when you hold them.
Huh? Yeah, I know.
Bro, these don't look that big and then bam.
I'll give you a little bit of motivation, all right? Checks on the table here. Let me take this back, actually. Oh, wow.
That's ridiculous.
Those are very symmetrical.
Maybe
All
you
right.
can-
All right, so you have 40 seconds. On your mark, get set, go. Start the timer. Boom. Timer's down. Dustin's going.
Fuck someone up
That's a
and get it.
snake move. You're dead.
You're dead.
not liquid.
Come on, Dustin. Don't let these get in your head, bro.
Swallowing the whole. He's swallowing.
No mind games.
That hurt.
Ow, 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 ow,
Deep and you ate- Oh, that was 2?
ow. Oh, come on. You're 17 seconds. 17 seconds.
That's 3?
Whoa,
4?
some weird.
Was that 4?
Oh my God. Oh my God. You literally have 14 seconds left.
That's 5?
That's 5? Oh, shit.
Come on, one more.
Anything, any bite of the next one, you're in the lead.
Oh.
Oh, I mean, you're already in the lead.
think
4,
he finished chicken
3,
nugget one.
2, 1. Boom! 40 seconds. Oh no, that's 44. Holy shit.
There's a nugget in my lung.
That's. I paused the time a little bit late at 40 seconds. Dustin is in the lead with 6. No fucking drizzy chicken nuggets.
When I saw the time, I was like, I swear to you, the nugget was literally ripped like this. Only this from one chew, and I just swallowed it.
Coming up now.
Chicken nugget wall dropping next week. Subscribe to Dustin, guys. I can't even swallow some
Yeah,
pills.
why chicken nugget?
But these guys are swallowing whole nuggets. Comment down below how many you think you can do at home, by the way. And last but not least, because I don't think we have enough nuggets.
We do, but let me go next.
Okay, last but not least, Jad. I might go as a bonus, but Jad.
Holy hell. Bro, some might think it is Chad with a J. It is actually Jad with Kniff.
What?
Long, ducty neck like Taylor Kniff. Oh,
I'll tell you.
Yo, watch them. Watch
This
them.
is-
Those.
No.
Yeah.
Jad, are you ready?
No, he doesn't eat like this, guys. Don't think he's a good eater. He doesn't
I eat the most in Kinabo.
He's eating the fastest.
This is actually soup.
He
Like,
eats the full pizzas after he cooks
How am I
them.
not good?
bro, fun fact, when Jad slapped me up, I was like, all right, he's the fastest.
I never knew this, ever.
It's zooked. All right.
Ooh, what the f? Give me that.
Woo! All right, Jad.
Yeah.
This is you, bro. I have my money on you. $10,000. On your mark. Get set. Go. Start at the time.
Oh my god.
No. Wait.
Did he swallow those?
Stop
Did
this.
it?
Peace. Bro.
What the fuck is going on?
That's 4.
We need to see something.
Shut the fuck up. 12 seconds down? No! No, please. He's not even halfway down. 20 seconds left, Jad. You got
7
this.
and 8 in his mouth. 7 and
Everyone
8.
wants you to win. Everyone low-key wants you to. That's 10? You have 10 seconds left. You have 10 seconds left.
You got it.
10 seconds left, Jad.
More water here.
7.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I give it one last pullback and not all the way down there.
Oh my! That's a win. Holy! Jad's a fucking beast. 10 for 10.
4 seconds, I could have swallowed that cleanly.
KO. Jad, everyone subscribe to Chad with a J. Link down below. This is it. Link on the screen right now. Jad's earnings right here. He got the check.
Yo,
Hold up.
low-key, I only deserve half this. I barely, it was close. But Charlie, there's 10 nuggets left.
I'm gonna try right now, just for funsies. But yo, congrats on the win, bro. 10. What the f is wrong with this guy? Instant replay.
And we got Rhino from Love Live Surf here.
You guys already know the vibes. This is a bonus, guys. Smash the like button. I'm gonna try this. I don't think I can get 10. Usually I'm cocky, but that's he's zooked.
All right, timer's ready. Tell me when.
If Shawn beats you, hold it.
Or do you want me to do?
I might do the one at a time then.
No, you can't do one. I'm telling you, you can't do one.
All right,
Go.
Yes.
All right, swallow.
Sip, swallow now, swallow.
Zip. Yeah, no, that doesn't matter.
Swallow.
Oh,
Don't overpack,
That's all bad.
Liquid, swallow,
Didn't even start with that.
oh, you're good, you're
Does
good.
this work? Or
Let's go.
That's a speaking coach is killing me.
Yeah.
Overfill, swallow,
20
swallow.
seconds.
Lean your head back and swallow. Yes, swallow.
Stand your neck up.
4 seconds. Yeah, minimum one more now. Minimum one more now. Don't be. Don't worry about time. Just swallow.
Eat up.
Finish in your mouth now.
This is your third chicken nugget. This is only your third.
Ah! How many was that?
$5,000.
How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So he's got 5.5.
Let's go.
5.5.
That was only 5.5.
Wait, you know what I liked about that? That he ripped the
There
half.
had to.
Yeah.
I swear you did more.
I thought you did more, but
I thought it was like,
this guy will take it, huh?
I see right. On that note, guys, smash the like button. Comment down below what we should.
No, it's my turn.
I don't know. I
think it's my turn.
Comment down below what we should try next. We'll get Donald Trump in the video.
I didn't go yet.
I love you guys. Stay savage. Peace.